So brake change on a 2008 Peugeot 3008, or it's the same as a new, not say new shape, it's a C4 Picasso between 2002 to 2000. Let's get his wheels off. Okay, wheels off. Tools you'll need is a 13mm socket and a 15mm spanner. The normal snap-on ones quite thick, so I've gone with this cheapy little one. It's really thin, as you can see, so I can get on that nut there, and then on the 13mm there. So what I'll do, I need 2 hands for this, so I'll do that right there. There's also another set here. So this bolt out, that bolt out. Let's get that done. Okay, so that's undone. On there. Excuse my whip glove. On there. And you might need a little hoover. Screwdriver here. Stick that in. Nibble that there. That way. Pull that way, and off we go. Exposing 2 pads. Again, they might be a bit stiff. Will eventually come out. There we go. See ya. There's one. There's 2. Clean up. With the new pads, you might get a new set of seats there. Not. Right, seats are clean. Next job, you will need one of these. This is a caliper wind tool. It's got electric handbrake on these, but you don't need a diagnostics to wind it back. You just do it yourself. Right, that's the caliper wind back tool fitted. You can buy these on eBay for about 15 quid. You've got to have nothing special. Once that's located, I might need 2 hands for this. Yes, I'm gonna basically just twist this arm to push that caliper back. Against the caliper, just twist and pushes the back. I'll just do this. When greasing up your pads, you don't need to do any more than the bit that it slides on. A lot of people whack it around through here, which just avoids brake dust to stick to it. You're just on it. Okay, both pads in. Calipers round all the way back. Obviously, springs need to sit flush against there. So just put that caliper back on. Okay, caliper back on. Just make sure it's nice and tight. And then just double check. 2 little springs in there. Make sure they're not poking through. Same with the other side. They're all done up, done up. There we go. Just repeat the other side. One last important thing, when you're finished and the wheels are back on, make sure you pump your brake pedal before you set off. Otherwise you'll move away, put your foot on the brake and it'll just fall to the floor, but the caliper hasn't spread out. So after fitting, put the wheels back on, jump in your car and pump your brake pedal a few times. It will go soft to start off with, but then it'll eventually be hard. Okay, thanks very much.